Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you about the nouns in English grammar. Let's learn the easy way of learning nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are the naming words such as names of people, animals, birds, places, and things. Names of people. We all have names, isn't it? You have a name, your friend has a name, your mother has a name, even your pet dog has a name, isn't it? The names of people is called nouns. This is Reena. Reena is a name of the girl. So, Reena is a noun. Ria. Ria is a noun. It is a name of the lady. Rahul. This is a boy named Rahul. So, the name Rahul is a noun. Shyam. Shyam is the name of the man. So, Shyam is a noun. Now, let's see more in the names of people. The word mother is also a noun. Likewise, father is also a noun. Grandfather, grandmother is also a noun. Aunt, uncle, girl, boy, baby, all these comes under the nouns. Now, under the names of a people, the names of the profession that the people does also comes under the noun. Now, let's see some examples. Teacher. This is a teacher. So, the name teacher, the word teacher comes under the noun. Engineer. Now, this man is an engineer. He works as an engineer. So, the word engineer comes under noun. Likewise, gardener. Doctor. All these professions name comes under noun. Now let's summarize what we learned in the names of people. Some names of the people such as John, Shilpa, Ram, Alex, and the relations names such as mother, father, uncle, auntie, grandpa, grandma, sister, brother, girl, boy, baby, all these comes under nouns. And also the profession's name such as doctor, teacher, gardener, carpenter, electrician, everything comes under the noun. Next, let's see the names of animals and birds which comes under nouns. Elephant, dog, horse, monkey, all these are the names of animals which comes under nouns. There are n number of animals, all the animal names comes under nouns. Likewise, the names of birds also comes under nouns. Example, hen, crow, pigeon, peacock, all these comes under the nouns. Also, sometimes the names of the pet animal that you have also comes under nouns. For example, Jimmy, that is the name of your dog. That is also coming under noun. Next is names of place. Places such as India, USA, Japan, all these are the countries' name. All these are nouns. Next is Asia, Africa, Europe. This is the names of the continent. So the continent's name also comes under the nouns. Next, the names of cities such as Mumbai, Delhi, London. All these comes under nouns. Other names of places such as park, You play in a park, isn't it? So, park is a place where you play. So, park comes under noun. Zoo. Zoo is where the animals live. So, zoo is a place. Next, school. School is a place where you study, where you learn. So, it is also a place, name of a place. It comes under noun. Next is kitchen. Kitchen is the place where your mother cooks. So, kitchen is a place. It's a name of a place. So, it comes under noun. Now, let's summarize the nouns of names of places. USA, UK, India, Africa, Mumbai. All these are the names of the country, continent, and city. Next, other common places such as forest, house, hotel, garden. These are the places where we do something. All these comes under nouns. Next is zoo, college, market, playground. All these are places where you do something. You study in the college, you buy something in the market. All those are places. So all these comes under nouns. Next, under nouns, we can see about the names of things. Things can be anything. A ball, a balloon, book, table, pizza, cake, apple, onion. It all these are non-living things. It can be something which you eat, something you play with, something you cook with, anything, anything, anything. Let's summarize the names of things. Toys, books, pencil, pen, phone, all these are things which you use. Cake, sandwich, pizza, apple, onion, all these are things which you eat. These are things. Next, gifts, balloons, table, chair, car, bike. All these are things which you use to play, or you used to write, used to sit, you used to go from one place to another. All these are things. Now let's practice nouns with few examples. In this picture, name some things or place or a person which you see. There are, what are all there? There are cakes. Cake is a thing. You see boys playing. Boys are a noun, name of a person. There are girls. There are aunt. There are popcorns. There are balloons. All these are nouns. You see a toys there. This is a birthday party. You see various things in this party. All the things you see, all the people you see, all the place. What is a place? This is a home. So it is a noun. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.